Introducing SOLIDWORKS CAM powered by CAMWorks, that is fully integrated CAM technology that allows you to integrate 3D design and manufacturing processes under one system, which enables you to evaluate design earlier in the process to avoid unexpected costs and delays in finishing products on time. Here are some key capabilities of SOLIDWORKS CAM. Feature recognition. It enables you to find machinable features and place tool path on parts such as hole, slots, and pockets based on CAD design. Rule-based machining. It standardizes your best manufacturing strategies and apply it automatically. Tolerance-based machining. It leverages model-based definition (MBD) and automatically adjusts according to tolerance specification. Associate machining, which enables you to automatically accommodating changes to your part or assembly model, eliminates time-consuming CAM system rework due to design alteration. SOLIDWORKS CAM Standard. It features the tool that is necessary for 2.5-axis CNC milling for parts, roughing, finishing, 3D edge breaks, pockets, slots, bosses, and hole processing can be accomplished without leaving the SOLIDWORKS 3D CAD environment. SOLIDWORKS CAM Standard is available to all SOLIDWORKS 3D CAD subscription customer, or you can even purchase it as add-on license. SOLIDWORKS CAM Professional. It expands on the ability of SOLIDWORKS CAM Standard, and in addition to all 2.5 and 3-axis capabilities, the upgrade to SOLIDWORKS CAM Professional are including assembly mode, which is the best way to ensure your tool paths do not come into contact with anything such as work holding fixtures but the stock material. Using SOLIDWORKS CAD mating tools and simply assign parts as fixtures to force tool paths to avoid them. 4 and 5-axis indexing, which automatically generate rotational A, B, or C codes to swiftly move between setups. Turning. Standard 2-axis lathe can be programmed in CAM Professional. 2-room or slant bath lathe with X and Z control are compatible. Program all types of outside diameter and inside diameter work, including grooving and threading. High-speed machining. It uses volume mill technology, maintains constant tool pressure throughout the cutting process. The variable feed rate allows the tool to cut at full depth to shorten cycle times while extending machine and tool life. The best-in-class machining routine works with standard cutting tools to lower overhead costs when machining components. SOLIDWORKS CAM is powered by CAMWorks. Introductory programming capabilities are included under the SOLIDWORKS CAM umbrella. There are also more advanced features available in the CAMWorks bundle. Contact us now if you want to know more about SOLIDWORKS CAM.